Hey, Level Fast, Mr. Watson. What we're going to do today is we're going to work with some robotic simulators. So to do it, first thing I need is an Xbox controller and a container up in the front of the classroom. Plug it into one of the front USB ports on your computer. Next thing, okay, the what you're going to be doing today, the simulator, is learning about these different robotics competitions by practicing their games in a simulator. Also going to learn how the robots are controlled and get some better knowledge of that. Okay, here's the program you want to start up. This is the icons on both the desktop and it's in the program menus. xRC simulator. Here's what you're going to come to. You'll be on a menu. Initially at the menu, choose settings. On the settings menu, click on joystick. Here's what you got to learn on the joystick. It said the Xbox controllers. If you look here on the right side, it shows what the different controls are and what they do. If you want to change any of them, that is on the left side. Once you get done with that, go back to the main menu, and on the main menu, choose the top option, single player. You also might, before you do that, you might want to pick which game you're simulating. It actually is these arrows at both the top and the bottom of the program page. And once you got that, then choose single player. Pick the game you're going to play. And it's going to take you into the game simulation. So to start the game simulation, you have to click where it says restart up here. And then there's a bunch of options. Choose the first one. It says option 1. The game will start. You'll hear a buzzer and the robot will become active and you can drive it. And you can, initially I would learn how to drive it and then play with the different mechanisms on it. At the end of the period, let me know how successful. Try out a bunch of the options. That's pretty much it for today. Have a great day.